Welcome to BoxTv. This is the first episode of Remix It Like It Hot. And today we have War Professor. He might go remix a song. So Professor, you know, say anytime we forward at the boot, the tracker for hot. Long time me hot, man. Y'all give me a rhythm now, Batman. Go through, brother. To them man, yeah, man. Yo.
2 fat jar plus 1 fat clip equal 1 pumps, me see it. Girl at the pum pum shot in the body rider, it's still a peak. The NyQuil pum pum where the girl have, when you get that you have to sleep. Just sleep. Fall asleep. The pum pum shave and nice, not tell no lie, the pum pum neat. Well neat. And it full up of meat. Raw meat. You don't eat raw meat. Bad for your health, you see it? You see it? The pum pum fat fat fat. Fat 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 fat. For that fat 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 fat. Well fat fat fat. Fat 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 fat. Oh God, it's fat. The pum pum fat fat fat. Fat 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 fat. For that fat 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 fat. Fat 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 fat. Fat. Yeah. She off about me the pum pum, so over a yard me turn. Put my finger in the pum pum, it full up a gum. Me pull down fear panty, me take off my brief before that me come. Yeah, me come. Couldn't believe so me come. Me never get the sex yet, never get the sex it done. Cause me come. She still a rub her tongue, her pum pum tongue. My excuse is my all, and I like when time young. When me did young, the pum pum fat fat fat. Fat 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 fat. For that fat 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 that fat. Fat. That well fat. Fat. For that fat fat. Pum pum fat fat fat. Pum pum fat fat fat. For that fat 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 fat. It's fat. Oh God, it's fat. Fat. Well fat. Fat. Nothing no fatter than that. Fat. Bad. People want to think. Share, comment and like if you think if it hot. Comment and share. If you think it flop, comment and share. Yeah.